Welcome back to another video. Today we have new tools, new Ryobi tools. To be exact, is the One HP, which is a more compact, targeted to the professional tool. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help with the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So please help out the channel by subscribing. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, we had the release this morning. Actually, we had a live, I believe, Ryobi did a live stream and presented the new tools. So here we're at the ryobitools.com. So that's, if you guys want to look at this, feel free to go to their website. It says introducing One HP, high performance advanced technology from new revolution power tools from Ryobi. Learn more. Alright, so we're here at the main. As you guys see the clips here, they're showing an angle grinder, a nice little saw there, look, cutting through metal there, a one-handed reciprocating saw, and an impact driver, if you guys see there. So they got a whole bunch of new tools here lined up just to be released. I don't know when they're going to be released, but they're going to be released soon, hopefully. We got One HP as high performance advanced technology. A revolution starts now, introducing the new 18-volt plus HP series, utilizing the technology of superior economics to deliver high performance tools and premium user experience like never before. HP tools are ideal for conditions, whether working overhead, confirmed places. Yeah, so pretty much they're lighter tools and they are heavy duty, like something you would see for the professional. So they're shooting it straight for the professional grade tool here. They're pretty much the pro level. You got brushless, compact, serious brushless motor technology, more power, longer runtime, longer motor life. Our brushless motors give you increased performance and premium user experience, more compact, lighter weight. One HP compact series brings concentrated power in a lightweight design, ideal for extended durations of light in tight spaces and overhead. So you guys will see the engine, the motor compartment here. That's their design, I guess, something new that they came out with. So you got One HP compact series. You got a two-tool combo kit, which a drill driver, impact driver, and then you got the 3/8 impact wrench, and then you got the one-handed reciprocating saw, cut-off tool. This is really nice here. According to them, this is going to cut pretty much everything, from metal to wood and all that stuff. So right angle drill. So this is most compact and brushless. And then you got a drill driver kit. Alright, so first one. Let's see here. We can click on it. Alright, so we'll just go over this. 18-volt HP compact brushless two-tool combo is two-tool kit. It says more compact. Let me go one by one here. Alright, that's pretty much it. Most compact brushless combo kit up to date. Kit includes two 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger and tool bag. So yeah, these are new batteries, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed, if you guys watched the video. But these are new batteries. They're 1.5 amp hour. They're more compact. They have a bigger fuel gauge. It's right there on the front. Most of the older batteries, I guess, because these are the new ones, and they are 1.5 amp hours, so really small, really compact. As you guys see, this tool is like super small, compact. Let's see here. This is the brushless 4 modes 3/8 impact wrench. So this does have like an auto mode to prevent the over-tightening. So it'll just it'll use enough to break it loose, and then it'll just slow down so it doesn't fly off, you know. So pretty much uncontrolled removal in delicate or compact spaces like an engine bay. And this is really small, really compact. Same thing with this. You guys are starting to see smaller tools and more powerful. So technology is getting out there. One-handed bit release with what is this? Nut designed for quick bit changes. 31% more compact, 20% more lighter weight, 160 pounds of torque with 4 mode control. So this is definitely a tool that you're going to need if you're going to be on the road, if you're going to be off-roading, if you're going to be racing, if you're going to be doing all kinds of stuff. You do all kinds of sports with vehicles. You're going to need something like this. It's real small and it'll take off your lug nuts pretty much. So that's a great tool. Here's a reciprocating saw. It's a 18 volts HP compact brushless one-handed reciprocating saw. Adjustable pivoting shoe provides greater depth in control, maximize blade efficiency and minimize downtime. Quick release blade lever for easy blade changes. So 31% more compact, lighter. Yeah, this does have some LEDs. Like I said, it's a one-handed reciprocating saw. They're basically targeting the bigger brands out there like DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, and Rigid, pretty much. So they're just shooting straight for them. So you got brushless motor, provides up to 3000 RPM, onboard LED work lights, 5/8 stroke length, quick release blade lever. Nice. Here's the other tool. This is really nice too. 18 volts HP compact brushless cutoff tool. Dual LED illuminate forward and reverse also cutting directions. Wire base ensures tool is flat to the work surface, increase cutting accuracy and stability. So this is the base that they're talking about here. It's a one-handed operation, multi-material. So you got metal, plastic, drywall, wire, shelving, tile. Wow, this thing's a little powerful here. It's a 3-inch wheels to cut metal, tile, and plastic. So pretty much every material out there. Dual LED lights. So it does have two LED lights. Dual LED lights. So it does have two in those two different places. It says forward and reverse cutting directions. Nice. Brushless motor provides up to 19,500 RPM. So 19,500 RPM. Wow. Wow, look at that. 1 HP brushless. Look at this battery. This battery is like super small. They even if you guys notice, they even rounded the front and the back. So it looks more compact. So basically, if you have a Ryobi battery, before it used to stick out a little bit here this way, and I believe a little bit back, or maybe not so much on the back, and this one's just completely flat on the base, so really small. It does have 1+ HP brushless on the motor compartment there. Looks like we got some sort of Allen key there, but really nice. Really nice overall. Look at that. Really nice tool there. Then we got this 18 volts HP compact brushless 3/8 right angle drill. This is much smaller, guys, than the other angle drill that they had. The other angle drill was a brushed. It was a much older version of something like this. So this is latest technology here. The industrial most compact 18 volt right angle drill. It's a quick bit changes 3/8 single sleeve chuck, featuring unique curling pattern, provide firm grip. Most compact right angle drill, 2 times more torque. Let's see here. We got an ergonomic paddle trigger design. So what they were saying on the video, I believe, is that you can hold it from the bottom here, and you can still pull the trigger, or you can hold it from up here and still be able to pull the trigger. Either way, either you hold it from here, you can put pressure here towards where you're drilling, or you can just hold it as a one-hand operation from here and then just push it with the same side. It says onboard LED work light, so you got a nice light there. Let's see here, what's this? It says brushless motor provides up to 350 pounds of torque. It says 2-speed motor provides 0 to 450 or 0 to 17 RPM. Nice, 1700 RPM. Brushless motor provides. Okay. Yeah, this is really nice. Really small tool here. Alright, let's check out the next one. You got the drill driver here. So this is pretty much what they have here, but by themselves. So it's compact brushless drill driver. 1/2 inch drill driver kit. It says not 1/2 single sleeve ratcheting chuck. Even with what? Quick bit changes with even gloves on. Nice. It's 2-speed gearbox and 24 position clutch maximum control. Batteries feature fade free power and onboard LED fuel gauge. Yeah, so as you guys see here, what they're trying to tell you guys is that the battery is going to perform just as like if it was pretty much fresh out of the charger, even until it's, you know, until the last bar here. So you got onboard LED work lights, 24 position clutch. Let's see if we can make this bigger. Look at that. That's really nice. Look at that. Tells you right there lock, unlock, and it tells you the size there. Here's a 24 position clutch. Got nice Ryobi sign there. You got some nice breathing ventilated holes there. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it doesn't let me go back anywhere else. 24 position clutch. Brushless motor provides up to 400 pounds of torque. Compact, 6.4 in length, so that's really small. 6 inches is like nothing. It's considered a super compact tool here. 2-speed motor provides. All right, same thing. 4 position. Brushless motor provides up to 400 RPM. Here's the LED light there at the bottom. And here's the brushless motor. Okay, same thing. You got a nice, if you want to put something there. See if we can. That's the model number. 1/2 inch. Made in China. Still, those are great tools though. Anyways, let's see here. We got one more. Should we have one more? Yeah, this is one more. So this is the 18-volt HP compact brushless 1/4 impact driver kit, or impact driver kit. Optimized impacting mechanism up to 3,800 RPM quick drive fasteners, nutted for 1/4 hex collet for one-handed bit release, even with gloves on. Batteries feature fade free. Okay, same thing. LED, one-handed bit release. I want to see this one. Wow, nice. It seems like it does have some sort of a rubber boot here. I don't know if this is rubber or this is just black metal, but it looks like rubber. So we got a nice rubber or black part there. What is this? Up to 2,100 RPM. Brushless motor. Okay, same thing. There's the back of it. You guys notice you got the square back here. Pretty much, if you guys see here, it's pretty much flush with the bottom. So compact size 5.3. This is even smaller. The other one was 6 inches. This was an inch smaller. So really nice, especially with this HP batteries, this newer HP compact batteries here. I gotta give me some batteries like this, so I can so we can compare to the other ones. All right, seems like that's it. That's it for that. It says over 175 OnePlus tools. Do more. See here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. These are great tools that are coming out. They're targeting the professional, and they're not going to be that expensive. Let me check, see if we can look at that one. Hopefully they can. This is coming to learn more. Okay, I do a full light. So this is the way it's gonna look, I guess. Now they're gonna put a little bit more black in the bags here. It looks really nice, by the way. If they added more black into the tool and pretty much the logo there. These are this one's gonna come with 2 batteries. As you guys see, the bare battery there, it looks really nice, really compact, super compact. Let's see here, view current catalog. There's a brushless motor here. Let's see here. So it is gonna come with the pretty much the smaller charger that they had before. So yeah, I just wanted to see if we can get some prices, but I guess we can't get any prices. I did hear they're not so expensive. Most of these kits are like $100 and something. So these tools are like $100. So they're not that expensive. They're right there with the competitor. And being Ryobi, so they can't really raise their prices as much. Anyways, so let's see here. Well, this is one I wanted to look at. Yeah, this thing's really nice. This is 1 HP compact cutoff tool, new revolution. Anyways, I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Like I said, new tools are coming out. They're going to be out there. Who knows when they're going to have them. But, we know they're coming. And we know what's coming. So, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. So we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And also, don't forget to check out my channel. I do have the new ratchet that came out. I believe this is my channel, by the way. It's right here's the batteries that we got. Let's see here. You click on videos, and the new ratchet that came out from Ryobi, it's this one. So that is the pretty much the new ratchet that came out here. We did that video. It's a great video there. And then we got some other shopping at Home Depot. We got the Eagle moving to lobes. And then we got some new tool reviews there, the screwdriver, and think card scan tool there. Really great videos. Check them out. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.